Working on a 2005 Yukon, and we're going to try to fix this thing. This plastic pieces just kind of fall apart, and then the hinge breaks, and we have a kit to repair it. So we're going to see if. So here's the kit. It comes with the new centerpiece, and then also ways to attach it. Smells like it just came from China. There's the hinge kit. Here's the new piece. So looking at it, comes with instructions too. Looking at it, looks pretty similar to the original, but maybe not as good fit and finish. For example, if we look at the upholstered side here, plastic piece looks the same. The upholstered side, you can see some of the stitching, but on the one that comes from the factory, you don't really have that. And then the back looks like it's pretty much the same piece as the original. So we're comparing these two. Got the foam piece, got the locking piece. That looks the same. Plastic piece here that ends up breaking. The pin. Yeah, it looks really similar. I'd say the only difference is that the upholstered side does not look as good. So, remove the center console from vehicle. We did that using a flathead screwdriver or equivalent. Pry loose the inner plastic panel from your console lid. So it looks like these two sides come apart. Yeah, so they're just clicked in there. Pretty cool. Here's the other one. So those just snap apart. Okay. Number 3, push or pull the hinge rod out to remove the lid from the center console. Okay, we did that. In your new console lid, secure the metal bracket with the holes as shown in picture 3. Alright, install the crooked end of springs into the metal bracket, picture 4. To your center console by lining up the hinges and springs and insert the hinge rod to connect both pieces. Feed that into those little holes. There we go. Pushing the rod through. Here comes the first spring. Okay, the rod's going through the first spring. Here's the hinge, middle part of the hinge. Push that in. Okay, kind of help it Okay, got to there. We're going to go into the second hinge. Kind of push the hinge in position. Going through the second hinge. It's going to go into this part next. Okay. You got to feed it into that one. There we go. It's into the next one. There we go. Okay, so we got these little guys in the holes. Got the springs in, got this in. So now we just hook the this piece back in. I think we're done. Get that through. Pushing on the clips until they lock. Pretty cool. But you do have this functionalities back, which is cool. You got like a spring. So we lock that in better. There we go. Closes pretty good. Pretty clean. Yeah. So this is the classic GM they call plick up. They might have meant pickup. I don't know. Center console lid repair kit. This is SKU 021T as in Tom, G as in girl, 0004A as in apple. Alright, hopefully that's been helpful to you guys. Should be good for the Yukon, the Tahoe, the Silverado. Pretty good. Just quality, I would say, is the factory's in. If this factory's an A, this is like a B minus. Pretty good. All right, thanks for watching. By the way, if you ever needed to hide some emergency cash or a key or something, it's interesting. You do have between the two halves of the center console, there is a little bit of space in there. It's a little bit concave in here, and a little bit in here too. So if you click these together, you can click them and unclick them pretty easily. And in an emergency, you could get to your cash or whatever it is. It could be stored in this area. Just a thought.